All right, I think you're going to like this. Did Kari Lake hire the worst lawyers in the world for this completely bogus attempt to steal the Arizona gubernatorial election, which she, of course, lost? Before I show you the lawyers, remember what Kari Lake said yesterday. We looked at this clip yesterday where she was talking about hiring lawyers.
Are true patriots. We had attorneys who did walk away because the left is threatening them with their ability to make a living and practice law. And some of our attorneys said, look, I got mouths to feed. I can't do this case. I don't want to be sanctioned. So I really love, I got to a point where I said, I'll take anybody. We'll take Better Call Saul to come on in here.
Yeah, she'll quite literally allow any lawyer to represent her. So let's get to the chaos. Significant difficulties yesterday for Kari Lake's legal team. They had an issue with their witness list, and then they forgot, they removed a witness, and then they try to call that witness, and the judge is like, you told us you weren't calling this person. Look at the level of confusion among these lawyers. Not exactly legal geniuses.
What happened? What? He's saying that he's not on the list.
Oh, this is the best. So they're shuffling through their paperwork now. Where is that list? Who's on the list? They're saying he's not on the list.
Right
the list I'm looking at, Your Honor, does show Aaron Smith designated as a witness. If Your Honor wants to give me a few minutes, I can go through my emails and looking at what the court was given. And
I don't know that we provided that list, Your Honor. I mean,
I think you filed it. We also, I think there was an email communication from plaintiff's counsel.
Yeah, not exactly Clarence Darrow, as you can imagine. Continued problems then, where they now, it's so bad. Look at this.
that she works with Betty in getting records from Maricopa County in response to FOIA requests, Your Honor.
And you've also told me that this was disclosed previously. Yes?
I am, Your Honor, yes.
When was it disclosed to?
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. This last week has been like 4 months. And if you want, Your Honor, it's going to take me a good 45 minutes to look for our disclosures.
Stop 1 second. You're an officer of the court. I'm just asking for your word. If you tell me it was within
I'm telling you it was disclosed, Your Honor.
You're telling me within the last week?
Yes, Your Honor.
Close to this morning, something like that.
Your Honor, that I have created on 2 separate occasions at their request that I give them access to all of our records via a link so they can go online and download them. And I can show this court that I provided them at least 2 links to do so.
Wait a minute. I don't want to waste a bunch more time on this. We've already spent a lot of time on it. I'm just down to the
the entire trial, the entire case and hearing is a waste of time.
last little consideration, which is disclosure, so they're not shocked by this. Disclosure is different than saying, here's where all my stuff is. You can dig it out.
So the judge explaining to the lawyer why it just doesn't make any sense what they're doing. Then they get into an argument about like an exhibit number.
75, Your Honor. It's yours. Your 75 RR1.
No, there's only one number. It's the court's number that we're referring to, not mine, yours, his. It's 75, and 75 is admitted.
Understood, Your Honor. I say R1 for their bet.
Got it.
Very good. 75, Your Honor.
Yeah. So these are the people that apparently are going to get the Arizona gubernatorial election overturned. So Kari Lake's choice of lawyers, not particularly good. Let's briefly talk about her choice of experts. I love reading. I read every day. No matter how I arrange my schedule, I never have enough time to read all the books that I want, which is why Blinkist has been such an important part of my life for years now. Our sponsor, Blinkist, is the app that takes thousands of nonfiction books, boils them down into an explainer that you can read or listen to in just 15 minutes, which includes all the most important takeaways from the book. With Blinkist, I can absorb the essence of 15 different books in an afternoon, so I can quickly gather insights from all sorts of perspectives, make connections, have those kind of aha moments that don't happen so easily, which is why I feel enriched when I use Blinkist. Blinkist also summarizes episodes of popular podcasts into 15-minute explainers. And with the Blinkist Connect feature, my girlfriend and I can share one account, share books, podcasts with each other, talk about them on the go. And don't forget, Blinkist makes the perfect holiday gift. My audience can try Blinkist free for 7 days and get 25% off after that. Go to Blinkist.com/Pacman. The link is down below.